Hello, I'm Kathy McHale from Acrylics by Kat, and here is my Arteza Awards entry. I'm doing an acrylic pour on a glass skull. I am using all Arteza paints, all metallic and pearl, and I hope you enjoy the video. For this pour, I'm using Mars Black. I am using Pearl Copper Gold. I'm using gold. I'm using silver and pearl sapphire blue. This is my glass skull. It was a vodka bottle. I don't know the brand, but this is what I'm pouring on today and entering into the contest. I've got my paints mixed, and I'm going to use black as a base, and here we go. I sped this up for purposes of this entry. I poured one color at a time, starting with the black. I covered the whole vase with the black, and then just randomly poured the other colors where I thought they needed to be. Okay, I'm just about done in this part of the video. I am going to let it rest and do its thing. I see a couple of spots that I might want to touch up, and I'll do that after the piece is dry. And I did do that after the piece was dry. So I'm trying to show you all sides before it was dry, and now this is what it looked like wet, and here we are dry with a coat of resin. I think it turned out beautiful. The colors are awesome. I love the paints, and I will definitely continue to use them in the future. Thank you, Arteza, for the opportunity to place this as an entry. Have a good day.